Hey, there's something I realized. Your partner, your husband, your boyfriend could be with you, but could actually hate you. Secretly hate you or kahit nga, obviously hate you. Pero minsan, akala natin, just because a man is with us, and is staying with us, and is still holding the relationship with us, gusto nila tayo. Pinili nila tayo. But every time that they try to disrespect you, every time they try to put you down, it just simply means that they don't want you. Ano ba yung mga signs that they don't like you? They don't celebrate your victories. They don't celebrate your achievements. Yan, number one yan. If you tell them, oh ha, na-promote ako sa work. Tapos ang reaction na, buti naman. Kasi tataas yung pera natin. Ako kasi, ganyan-ganyan eh. Alam mo yun, when they deflect whatever that they are, what that you are saying, and then they're putting it back to themselves, and then it's like, parang sabihin nila na, parang bigla silang, kawawa naman ako. Or, dapat ako yan eh. They're hating you. Why? Why would you do that? Parang, you're someone that you love, achieved something great. Someone that you loved, got promoted, got praised at work, and then you're like, okay. Diba? Another thing is that if he always like put you down, diba? Instead of, kasi diba, parang your romantic partner should be the first one to like give you compliments. Uy, ang ganda mo ngayon. Wow, I like what you're wearing right now. Uy, ang bango mo naman, diba? But if your partner constantly say, ba yan, taba mo na, hindi ka pa mag-gym. Taba mo na, alagaan mo nga yung sarili mo. Ano ba yan, nalolosyang ka na, nakakaya sa ibang tao. Yung mga ganon na pasimple, they're not really helping you. Diba? I don't know if you watched that movie. Oh my God, I forgot about it. It's actually a movie. It's for black. They're black actors. And it's like, yung girl lagi siyang pinuput daw ng asawa niya. Tapos sinama pa yung kabit sa friend outing nila and all. Tapos, eventually, naghiwalay sila ng girl. Tapos, sinubukungan niya nag-cheat. So, nakapaghiwalay yung girl. Alam nyo, nung nagkaroon ng bagong jowa yung girl, na sobrang magaling mag-compliment, sobrang mahal na mahal siya. So sexy siya, gumanda siya. Alam mo yun? Another sign of your partner secretly hating you is when he jokes about it. Alam mo yan? Minsan, akala mo joke. Pero sa totoo lang, sabi nga nila, napanood ko to sa American Creator eh. Men don't really joke about anything unless they mean it. Parang, alam mo yun, katulad nung halimbawa sa kasal, di ba? Ewan ko kung napapanood nyo sa TikTok, yung mga kinakasal na nilulublob nila yung mukha ng bride nila sa cake, or ginaganon nila yung buong cake. I mean, if you're just gonna do that, it's just a fun play, di ba? Parang, di ba, ganyan. Pero yung buong mukha mo naman, hello. Tapos, alam nyo yung kung napanood nyo yung TikTok na nagwa-vow sila, nagwe-wedding vow sila. Tapos itong lalaki, puro joke yung ginagawa. Tapos ang sabi niya, I can't wait to F you. Your butt is ganyan-ganyan. Alam mo yun? Tapos sabi ng pastor, yun na yun na yung vow mo. Parang, wala ka man nang masabing maganda do sa asawa mo kung hindi about sa mo sa kanya, 'di ba? Tapos may anak na sila, 4. Alam mo yung parang napilitan lang siyang magpakasal. Pero hindi niya talaga mahal yung babae, kundi nasanay na lang. Kumbaga he's just tolerating your presence kasi nga 14 years na kayo or 10 years na kayong mag-boyfriend, ganyan. Pero he doesn't really want to get married to you. Tapos, alam niyo yun, guys, kapag medyo na, girls, pag nakita nyo na ayaw kayong pakasalan, huwag nyong pipilitin. Kahit ilang taon na kayong magkasama, ilang taon na kayong, living in together, oh my God, wag talaga. Kasi ako ganun pinilit ko talaga siya. Nakakaya, di ba? Kasi 2 years na kami magkasama. Tapos, syempre, naging Christian ako. So, I was like, when are we gonna get married? I think we're living in sin. Gano'n na yung thought ko. Noon. Okay, hindi na ngayon. Sabi niya sa akin, ano ba yan? Papel lang yan. Masaya naman tayo. Ganun. Tapos sabi ko, edi umuwi ka na sa inyo. Ano ginagawa natin? Ganyan. In 2 weeks, nagpakasal kami. Pero dapat pala hindi na lang. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. But kung ngayon ko kasi isipin, alam mo yun, especially that there's no divorce here in the Philippines, you know, annulment is so expensive and stuff like that. Dapat pala, hindi ko siya pinilit. Pag hindi kayo gustong pakasalan ng lalaki, tigilan nyo, huwag kayo magpo-propose, huwag din kayo magsasabi na gusto nyo na or ano. Wala, huwag hayaan nyo siya. Kasi chances are, ayaw niya talaga. Kasi pag gusto ng lalaki, 6 months, locked in ka, tingnan mo, propose yan sa'yo pag ikaw talaga ay gustong gusto niya. Tapos, ayun, pagka harsh siya magsalita sa'yo, lastly, you will be able to observe that if he's very harsh in his words with you, yung hindi ka niya hinahandle with care, he doesn't care about your feelings, chances are he secretly hates you. And you don't want to be with someone that hates you. Diba? Kasi eventually, sa totoo lang, ito sasabihin ko sa inyo yung totoo ha, you will resent him. Sa una, syempre diba, in love ka eh. Pero pagka hindi na yun, yung kasal na kayo ng ilang taon, sabihin mo ng, I wouldn't really, pero mga 5 years kayong kasal. Alam mo, eventually, mabubwisit ka na rin sa kanya. Parehas na kayong you will hate each other. Kasi nga, hindi ka niya nire-respeto eh. So, mawawala rin yung respect mo sa kanya. So, maiisip mo, tangina, bakit pa kami magkasama nito? Ganon. So, ayun. Please be on the lookout for that. And decide that if someone doesn't like you, then it's fine. I mean, you don't really have to. Parang pagsiksikan yung sarili mo sa isang tao, hindi ka naman gusto. It's not about self-worth. It's just that asking yourself, is this really what I want? Like, do I want to be treated like this for the rest of my life? I mean, do you see yourself being in that situation for another 10 years? I mean, you know, that sobra, alam ko mahirap maisip pag in love ka. But if you think about it, at nagsasabi akong totoo, dadating yung panahon mapapagod ka rin sa ganang treatment. And, you know, tapos bigla siyang magiging clueless. Ba't nag-iwalay tayo ngayon? Bakit ayaw mo na sa akin? Pero all the while, he was treating you real bad. So, ayun lang, always stay in your power.